Life is a journey, defined by choices. Every day we are confronted with decisions, some small and insignificant, others monumental, and life-changing. At the core of every decision lies a fundamental conflict. Should we listen to the voice of our heart or the reasoning of our mind? This inner battle has shaped destinies, forged relationships, and determined the rise and fall of individuals throughout history. To understand this struggle is to understand the very essence of human nature. The heart speaks in emotions and passions, in whispers of desire and compassion. It urges us to leap when the world says wait. It pushes us toward love even when logic warns us of pain. The heart is impulsive, fiery, and alive. It is the spark that ignites creativity, the fuel that drives sacrifice, and the force that makes life meaningful. Without the heart, we may survive, but we do not truly live. Yet on the other side stands the mind, calm, analytical, and structured. The mind calculates risks, weighs consequences, and demands evidence before action. It is the guardian of reason, the protector of stability, and the architect of long-term success. Where the heart sees only the beauty of the moment, the mind projects into the future. Where the heart says feel, the mind says think. Without the mind, passion runs wild, leading us into mistakes we might regret. Together, heart and mind represent two sides of the same coin. But the question remains, which one should guide our decisions? The truth is that no life can flourish when led solely by the heart or entirely by the mind. A decision born purely of emotion may bring joy today, but sorrow tomorrow. A decision guided only by logic may protect us from harm, yet leave us feeling empty and unfulfilled. Real wisdom lies not in choosing one over the other, but in harmonizing them, in allowing the heart and mind to converse rather than compete. Consider the decisions of love. To love with only the heart is to be consumed by passion, vulnerable to heartbreak and blind to reality. To love with only the mind is to treat relationships as transactions, devoid of warmth and connection. True love requires both the warmth of the heart and the stability of the mind. When you choose a life partner, your heart may be drawn to their kindness, their smile, their spirit, but your mind must also ask, can this person stand by me in hardship? Can we grow together? Can we build a future? Now think about career choices. The heart may yearn for dreams, for passions, for pursuits that give meaning to your soul, but the mind reminds you of responsibilities, of bills to pay, of skills to build, of risks to manage. If you follow the heart alone, you may burn out chasing a fantasy without preparation. If you follow the mind alone, you may end up trapped in a life that pays well but feels like a prison. The secret is balance. Pursue your passion with your heart, but plan it with your mind. Let the fire of emotion drive you forward, but let the clarity of reason build the path beneath your feet. History is filled with leaders, thinkers, and visionaries who mastered this balance. Take the example of Khalid bin Walid, the great warrior known as the Sword of Allah. His heart carried the courage of a lion, pushing him to face impossible odds, yet his mind devised strategies so brilliant that even his enemies admired him. His victories were not the product of emotion alone, nor of reason alone, but of a perfect harmony between the two. Or look at innovators like Steve Jobs. His heart envisioned beauty, simplicity, and design that touched people's souls. His mind ensured execution, planning, and precision that transformed dreams into products. This marriage of heart and mind changed the world. But if balance is so important, why do we so often fail to achieve it? The reason is that the heart is loud and immediate, while the mind is quiet and patient in moments of crisis. The heart screams, urging us to act quickly. The mind whispers, asking us to pause and reflect. Too often we surrender to the loudest voice we chase after desires because the heart refuses to wait, or we freeze in fear because the mind drowns us in doubt. The discipline lies in silencing the noise long enough to hear both voices clearly, and then letting them guide us together. Imagine standing at a crossroads. To the left is the path your heart longs for, filled with excitement, adventure, and uncertainty. To the right is the path your mind favors, safe, predictable, and secure. Most people choose one and abandon the other, but the truly wise seek a third path, one that blends passion with reason, They ask themselves, how can I bring the joy of the left path into the safety of the right? How can I turn my dreams into reality without recklessness? And how can I embrace security without killing my spirit? When you understand, this decision-making becomes less about choosing heart or mind and more about aligning them. The heart should inspire and the mind should execute. The heart should provide vision and the mind should craft the plan. The heart should say why and the mind should say how. Together they form a complete answer. This balance is not just philosophical, it is deeply practical. Science itself proves that emotions and logic are intertwined. Neuroscientists have discovered that people with damaged emotional centers in their brains struggle to make even simple decisions. They can list pros and cons endlessly, but cannot choose why, because the heart provides the energy to act. Without emotion, logic is paralyzed. On the other hand, decisions based only on emotion often lead to regret, proving that logic is equally essential. So what does this mean for you? It means that the next time you face a decision, pause. Listen first to your heart. Feel what it truly wants. Does this choice bring you closer to who you want to be? Does it make you feel alive? Then listen to your mind. Ask what the consequences will be. What risks lie ahead? What resources are needed? If your heart says yes and your mind says no, do not rush. Search for the path that satisfies both. If your mind says yes, but your heart feels empty, know that the cost may be too great. The right decision is not always the easiest, but it is the one where your heart and mind can walk together without tearing you apart. This principle applies everywhere. In friendships, balance your heart's loyalty with your mind's wisdom. In opportunities, balance your heart's excitement with your mind's caution. In challenges, balance your heart's courage with your mind's strategy. Every great decision in life is the child of both. Think of your life as a ship sailing across the sea. The heart is the wind in your sails. It gives energy, motion, and drive. The mind is the compass. It gives direction, stability, and focus. Without the heart, you drift endlessly motionless. Without the mind, you move quickly but may crash into rocks. Together, they carry you toward your destiny. In the end, the question is not heart or mind, but harmony. Life is too precious to be ruled by fear and too meaningful to be wasted on recklessness. The decision you make today will shape the person you become tomorrow. So let your heart ignite your spirit, let your mind guide your steps, and let both work in unison to create a life that is not only successful, but also deeply fulfilling. Remember this: the greatest tragedy is not making the wrong choice, but making a choice with only half of yourself. Do not silence your heart and do not ignore your mind. Let them converse, let them argue, let them reach a truce, for in their unity lies your true strength. When your heart and mind agree, the decision you make will carry you forward with both passion and wisdom, and that is how you live a life of purpose, peace, and power. Subscribe now